Looking for a straightforward way to restore your Samsung oven's performance? The Samsung DG9600110E convection fan motor assembly is a genuine OEM replacement designed to keep your stove running smoothly. This 35W motor spins the fan blade to circulate hot air evenly, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. What sets this part apart is its precise engineering and premium materials, guaranteeing durability and an exact fit. Unlike generic replacements, this Samsung factory part matches the original specifications, so you don't have to worry about compatibility or premature wear. It's built to last and to maintain the efficiency of your appliance. One satisfied customer shared how easy the installation was. Their Samsung stove's lower fan started making noise, but replacing it took just about 15 minutes after watching a couple of videos. The part fit perfectly, worked flawlessly, and saved them the cost and hassle of a technician's visit. It's a simple fix that anyone comfortable with basic tools can handle. Why does this matter? A working convection fan motor means consistent heat circulation, which prevents uneven cooking and extends your oven's lifespan. When you choose the Samsung DG9600110E, you're investing in reliable performance and peace of mind. No more worrying about spotty baking or uneven roasting. If you're ready to take control of your oven's maintenance, this OEM convection fan motor is worth a look. It's designed for easy installation and dependable operation, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants to keep their Samsung range in top shape without the stress of complicated repairs. Remember, following the owner's manual instructions during installation ensures the best results and safety. With this genuine Samsung part, you get what you expect: quality, fit, and lasting performance. It's a practical solution that brings your appliance back to life quickly. So, if your oven's fan is acting up or you want to avoid uneven cooking, consider the Samsung DG9600110E convection fan motor assembly. Try it when you're ready to make a straightforward repair that delivers consistent heat and keeps your kitchen running smoothly.